Good afternoon from sunny Edale down here in the south coast of the UK. It's been sweltering weather, but it's also been incredibly busy in our factory the last month or so, so I thought I'd give you sort of the second series of mini videos or virtual tours of what's going on in the factory in a small snapshot in time. So just entering the first of our units, obviously lots of goods here delivered from our suppliers. Guys busy here on the CNC mill, cutting the side plates for the machines. Obviously shorts are almost mandatory here at the moment because it's very warm. Since my last tour, we've now installed this new CNC lathe. So we're not in production with this machine yet, but it's just going through its training. More goods are being delivered. Crikey, we are running out of space. Sub-assembly to the right hand side and more completed modules on the left hand side. In fact, those are modules getting prepared for shipment to one of our digital web partners, and this will be the next batch of FL5 print stations that are starting to come together. So the main reason for this tour is actually just to give you an idea of what we're doing with the Digicon 3000s, which is a partnership that we have with AB Graphics. So we've had or seen unprecedented design demand for the Digicon 3000 over the last, well, 6-7 months to be honest, and the results of these sales are now starting to appear on the shop floor. So this is the first of one of these machines. This is a machine for the United States. This one is set up for finishing shrink sleeves. These are 30-inch wide or 760mm wide units. Flexo unit with UV, and we also have a second unit with reversing capabilities with hot air and UV, and automatic setting slitting and dual rewind. There we go. Next machine we have here is even more complicated, to be honest. This is again another Digicon 3000. This machine was just accepted this week and is starting to be broken down, but in this case, as you can see, it's quite a monster machine. We have unwind flexo station with UV chill and hot air drying. This also has full rotary re-register. It also has semi-rotary re-register and cold foil and UV lamination. We have a second flexo station with full rotary and semi-rotary re-register, again with another lamination station. We have semi-rotary die cutting. We have auto set back slitting, waste stripping, auto set shear slitting and dual rewind. Just moving across the factory to the other side, there's one other Digicon 3000 that's in a lesser state of completion. Hi guys. Hi. Yeah, this one is actually set up for label production rather than flexible packaging. So unwind, full rotary re-register flexo station. Eventually there will be a semi-rotary die cutter. Automatic setting slitting and dual rewinds. And we can just quickly see what's happening next door. Following Dave out here. So what's happening here is we've got some flatbed die cutters coming in for assembly. So there's one flatbed die cutter. A second flatbed die cutter has just been delivered, and a third flatbed die cutter, which is now partially assembled and is in line with another new FL5 510 single pass carton press. We expect this machine to be up and running some point next month. And finally, the guys here are just about to do a live demo for a customer. Where's the customer? So we'll be doing a live broadcast demo very shortly. And what else have we got? FL1 Prime. This is actually for a customer in the UK. This one is nearing completion. I expect it will start testing in the next few days. So this is a 350mm wide FL1 Prime. And finally, we have another machine that's in a lesser state of completion. This will be one of the Canon Labelstreams. So this will be a UV hybrid inkjet machine when it's complete. So there ends the tour for what's going on at Edale this month. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.